Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss another sample paper from Sultan Chand Publications. So you are aware of the patterns. Let's move on to the section. Question number 1. Library used for data manipulation and analysis. NumPy, Pandas, Math, Round. So we know that Pandas is the Python's library for data manipulation and analysis. So the answer is option 2. Which module will be installed as a part of Pandas installation? While we are installing the Pandas, what is the module installed as a part of that? Is it NumPy, Pygame, tkinter, or all of the above? Its NumPy will be installed with the Pandas. Which statement will allow you to check on the shell prompt to know whether the Pandas has been installed or not? Okay. If once the Pandas are installed, how we will come to know whether it is installed or not? So for that, is it option 1, pip install Pandas, import NumPy, pip install NumPy. So pip install Panda is for the installation of this Pandas module. And for checking that Pandas module, we will be using import Pandas. So option 2 is the correct answer. Which of the following data structures can be used to store one-dimensional data in Pandas? One-dimensional data is series and data frame stands for 2D data. This is for 2D. And Matplotlib, you know that it's for the plotting or the data visualization. The default data type of an empty series, that is float 64, a float only given, so option 4 is the answer. In a series object, the index must be of dash length as elements. Index must be of different, same, lower, or none of the above. It should be the same as the length of the element. Which of the following chart displays information as a series of data points connected by a straight line? For straight line, we are using the line chart. Question number 8. Which of the following library is used for data visualization? For data visualization, we are using Matplotlib. Which function or method is used to delete rows from the data frame? Clear, drop, delete, remove. We are using drop method for deleting the rows. For columns, we will be using the del statement and pop method for the single column to delete and the drop method for this multiple columns. Or single column also we can delete with the drop method. The default graph produced by plt.plot function is, plot function is for which one? It is for the line chart. For the bar chart, if it is a horizontal bar chart, which one? We have like a barh function. If it is normal vertical bar chart, bar function is there. Otherwise, for the pie chart, we are having what? plt.py. Okay, here it will be plt.bar for the vertical bar chart and plt.barh for the horizontal bar chart. Which of the following is not an activity of active digital footprint? Okay, what do you mean by active digital footprint? That is, knowingly we are posting, we are doing something. Okay, intentionally, if we are doing the internet activities in the internet, we call it as active digital footprint. Okay, sharing a Facebook post on getting a new job, that is intentionally doing, so it's an active. So here it is asked not an activity. Okay, so this is an active digital footprint. Okay, sending an email invitation to your friend on your birthday, that is also intentionally you are doing, that is also an active digital footprint. Identifying your IP address and location by web server while browsing, that is not active digital footprint, that is not without your knowledge. So this is passive digital footprint. Congratulating your friend on Twitter on receiving good mark, that is also you are posting intentionally, so that is also active. So among this, option 3, that is option 3 is not an active digital footprint because it's not done intentionally. Question number 12. Rahul, owner of a movie parlor, produces and sells pirated CDs and DVDs to his customers. Identify the type of activity he is engaged in. Ethical hacking? No. Helping people showing new movies? No. That is also wrong. And identity theft? That is also wrong. And he is doing a cyber crime. Which of the following statements about shareware software is false? What is shareware? We will be having the trial version. We will be having the software to work. After the trial period or that, we have to either purchase the license or that it has to be uninstalled, isn't it? So it's like it's not free. Shareware software is it is asked like which of the following statements are false. Okay, shareware software is the same as force software. It does not include source code. Shareware does not include complete functioning. Licensing fee must be paid after a certain period of time in order to access this software. So we know that the shareware, this is correct. For the shareware, we have to pay the licensing fee after a trial period. It will not include the complete functioning. Once you buy or the purchase the software only, we will have the complete functioning. And so it will not share the source code. And this is not the correct one. It is not same as the FOSS. FOSS stands for free and open source software. That means here the source code is freely available. You can download it, modify it, and redistribute it. But the shareware, that's not possible. So this is the answer to the question, because this statement is false. Which of the following is or are the attributes of the data frame? Size is there to get the number of elements. Shape will return the elements of row, comma, column pair in the form of tuple. End time will return the number of dimensions for the data frame. So the answer to this question is option B, option 4, that is all of the above. Which of the following actions falls under the category of trademark infringement? Trademark infringement, we have to check out. Trademark means logos, brands, labels, all comes under trademarks. So option is selling dosas at your restaurant. That's not an infringement. Manufacturing shoes in your factory and selling them with the Adidas label, that is the brand you are using, that is an infringement. Selling branded products at your shop, that's not an infringement. Okay. And sharing links of YouTube videos created by others, that is also not a trademark infringement. So the answer to this question is option 2. Question number 16. Which of the following cases represent plagiarism? Plagiarism means copying the content directly, isn't it? So providing references and giving credit to the source, that's not plagiarism. Using someone's exact words in quotes and giving them in-text citation, that is also not considered as plagiarism. We are giving the text citation. Copying content from internet and pasting it directly in your document, that is plagiarism. Yeah. Citing the author's name and providing a link to the website from you where you obtain the content for your project, that is also not considered as a plagiarism. So option 3 is the answer, that is copying the content from internet and pasting it directly into your document without any correct credential, without giving any credit to the source or the authors. Question number 17, while adding the values for the new column, okay, in the data frame, if the values are not equal to the number of rows, what type of error will arise? Okay, it will arise value error. If the values are not matching, it will return value error. Okay, if the particular column does not exist, if you are accessing a column and if that particular column does not exist, then that will result in a key error, because column other names we can simply call it as key. Okay, if that particular column is not present and that is not existing and you are asking for to display that one, it will result in a key error. But here value mismatch means it will result in a value error. Question number 18, which of the following is not one of the 3 basic requirements for granting an innovation patent? Patent means for the inventions or ideas, we will give the patents, isn't it? It is coming under IPR, intellectual property right. It should be a new invention. Yes, that should be for a patent. It should be a new invention. It should have the capability to be used in industrial application. Yes, that is also true. It should only be a product. That is false. So and none of the above. So answer to this question is option number 3. Okay, this is the not one. It should not be, it's not necessary that it should be a product. Okay. 19. Identify the command to display the last 5 rows. You want to display the last 5 rows. So we know that head and tail functions. Head will display the first rows, n rows, and tail will display the last 10 rows. By default, it will be 5. Okay. So you can see head and tail, only one option is the question. So fourth one is the correct answer to question number 19. Following are the precautions to be taken before selling your e-waste. Identify the odd one. You want to identify the odd one regarding the selling your e-waste. Format your personal information from the device. That's true. Before selling, you have to format all the information. Contact only authorized recycler. That is also true. Take out the batteries from the gadget. That is also required before selling e-waste. Destroy every component of the device. That is false. So this one is the odd one among this one. Question number 21. Janvi is confused about the term digital footprint. Digital footprint means the traces you are leaving online. Help her to understand it. Option 1, it is the time you spend on the computer. No. It is the cost of electricity you consume while being online. That is also no. The digital traces of all activities you leave on the internet. That is digital footprint. It is like digital signature. No. So option 3 is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a cybercrime? Data theft, identity theft, damage to data, installing antivirus for protection. Option 4, installing antivirus for protection is not considered as a cybercrime. Question number 23, consider echo df_pd.data frame. The data is given and the index is also given. Which of the following is used to create the above data frame? Created using series, created using list of dictionary, created using Boolean indexing, created using the string. Since the indexing is Boolean value, it is created using the Boolean indexing. Okay. 24. CSV stands for common standard values, comma semicolon values, comma separated values, comma spreadsheet values. Option 3, comma separated values. 25. Which of the following function is used to find the total rows in a data frame? To find the total rows, we are having the function length. len function will return the total number of rows in the data frame. Count function will return the total number with excluding the excluding the non-NaN values. If the NaN value is there, that count will not be given. Okay. So here answer is length, len function. We don't have the function. These two functions are not available in a data frame. So we are moving on to section B. Question number 26. Write the command in the blank to obtain the given output. Import pandas as PD. A is given, data is given, S1 equal to. So here you want to create what? You want to create a series. So how to create a series? These are the indexes. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the indexes, and this data is A is coming as the data. So for creating the series, we know that the PD is given PD.series, and the A should be the first value and index equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is correct one. So option 1 is the correct answer. Here you can see PD.series. A is equal to, we don't want, A is already given. Okay, so that is wrong. PD.scr, we don't have the functions, so, and create series also wrong. So option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 27. Assuming the given series named salary, which command will be used to increase 2,000 in every employee's salary? You want to increase 2,000 for every employee's. So you have to add 2,000 to the salary or the detail salary column, isn't it? So add 2,000 means salary plus 2,000 is enough. Here add function we cannot use because add function is for adding to data a series object, that's not required. 28, question number 28. Ananya wants to store her term 1 marks in a series which is already stored in a NumPy array. Choose the statement which will create series with the subject. Subject should be the indexes and marks as the elements or the data. Okay, mark will be the data. So import pandas as PD and you can see the NumPy array is there. For storing the marks subject, these are the subjects. Okay, series 1 is equal to pd dot series, which should come marks comma index equal to subjects. So which is that? So here it should come like pd dot series. First one is the data, that is the marks comma index equal to subject. So option 1 is the correct answer. And we don't have to give like np dot max, not marks is not required, that's wrong because already it's given like np dot array. And index equal to marks comma subject, that's also wrong. Marks comma index we cannot give like that way, that is also wrong. 29 dash is a security device that can help protect your network traffic, filtering traffic and blocking the outside from gaining unauthorized access private data on your computer. Protocol firewall cracker spam filter. Firewall is the device that will help the unauthorized access to your computer. Question number 30. Observe the following figure and code. Complete the code to obtain this graph as output. You can see that this is like a line style is not given. And you can see only the marker is given, isn't it? So import matplotlib. This makes all is common for everyone. Then plt.plot x comma y, that x is the marker shape, that is Hindu is given. So marker size equal to 5, marker edge color equal to red R. Okay, here line style is given, then that is wrong. Here also line style, that's not required. Okay, PLT here, it's like a bar will give bar chart, so this also wrong. So option 1 is the correct answer. PLT.plot, that's line chart. Or we can say that x comma y and this into will be given. And since the line style is not given, that line will not be there. Similar to the, because we know that it's like a scatter chart, isn't it? Because using the plot chart also you can, plot function also you can do the scatter chart. Either using the scatter function or the plot function is used for the scatter chart and without the line style argument. 31. Consider the two statements given below. Statement 1, legends are the different colors that identify different sets of data plotted on the graph. That is correct. Okay. We can use label argument to give the specific label to data range. That is also correct. And legend function to specify the location of the legend. That also you can give. Inside the legend function, you can give the log equal to what is the location you want to display the legend. So here both the statements are correct. Question number 32. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding graph in Matplotlib? Scatter plot can be created using plot and scatter function. That is correct. Bar chart is created using bar and bar h functions of pyplot module. That is also correct. A line chart is created using line function. That is wrong. It is created using the plot function. Histogram plot is created using the hist function. That is also correct. Here it is asked for the incorrect statement. So option 3 is the answer to the question. Lakshya wants to edit an image on his system. Suggest him a free image editing software that can be downloaded from the internet. Okay, image editing software you want to download from the internet, that is GIMP. GIMP is the free and open source software that can be image editing software. Okay. Question number 34. Consider the following statements regarding sending of emails. Okay. sending of emails. Statement 1, write your personal information such as name, bank account number, credit card details, etc. That is no. Statement 2, be respectful and use appropriate greeting. That is correct. That is the correct method. Statement 3, use of emoticons as often as possible instead of text. That is also not a good practice. Use suitable closing phrases such as regards sincerely. That is a good practice. So 2 and 4. Statement 2 and 4 are the option to the answer. Question number 35. Consider the series numbers. Okay. Then what will be the output of the following commands? Numbers of E is to B minus 2. So in the reverse order we want to print. So E of E minus 5. E is to B means what? E and E after that it should be minus 2 means what should come? E, then after that C will come. After C it should come A, but that is not allowed because you can only use till here. From here till here only you can use it, isn't it? Because E is to B is given, so till here only you can use, and it should go in the reverse order. First E should come, then the C should come. But here asking that minus 5 also. So first one is E, 50 minus 5, that is 45. Then after that C, 10 minus 5, that is 5. So option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 36. Which of the following acts is not considered as cyberbullying? Harassing over the internet, using instant messaging session, that is a cyberbullying. Here not considered is as circulating rumors about another on social, that's also a cyberbullying. Posting derogatory messages on a user's social networking page, that is also cyberbullying. Playing online games on internet, that is not considered as a cyberbullying. So option 4 is the answer. 37. What is the correct syntax to rename the columns name to emp name in the data frame emp? So emp dot rename, you want to rename the column. So emp dot rename columns equal to name is to old column name colon new column name, and comma in place equal to true. That will make the changes permanently. So option 3 is the correct answer. Index means what? It is for renaming the indexes or the row indexes. That's not here. It is asked for the renaming of the columns. 38. Which of the following is not an example for e-waste? Discarded smartphone, broken computer monitors, leftover food, non-functioning keyboards. So leftover food is not an e-waste. Question number 39. Identify the incorrect statement. To get the number of elements, size attribute can be used. That is true. The access row represents rows of the data frame. That is also true. Log function is used to extract row or column from the data frame. Missing data in pandas object is represented as none. It is represented as none value. So option 4 is the answer to the question. None, not a number. Instead of this, it will be replaced. Missing data is meaning none. None stands for not a number. Not a number. It is a part of NumPy module, and by default it is float 64. Question number 40. What will be the output of the following code? Okay, you are having the series. So what will be the correct output? Here S1 equal to pd.series 2459 index true false false true. S2 is equal to pd.series index equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Print S1 plus S2. True is otherwise it is represented by 1. So 2 plus 10, that is 12. And false, other one value is known as 0. False again 0. True represented by 1. It's like Boolean indexing. No? Instead of true, we can say 1. Instead of false, we can say 0. So what we have to do? We are doing the arithmetical operation. So it will do the matching indexes. It will align as per the matching indexes. After that, the arithmetical operation is done. If the matching index is not found, what it will do? It will be returning a NaN value. Here true, here also true. So 10 plus 2, 12. Here false 0, that is both are same. So 4 plus 5, 9. False 0, that is true. Then 5 plus 5, 10. Then true 1. Then what it will do? 9 plus 1, that is 10. So option, what is that? Here index will be true, false, false, true, and 12, 9, 10, 10. So this is the answer. So this is created using the Boolean indexing. Why shouldn't emails be drafted in capital letter? Using all capital letters implies a lot of emphasis on or shouting. It implies that the sender is unfamiliar with netiquette. It strains the eyes and make reading difficult. So all the statements are correct regarding the using of capital letters. So all of the above is the answer to question number 41. 42. Which of the following commands will delete the row SST from the data frame final? Okay, you want to delete it. So drop method is given. So we just use the drop method. So final dot drop SST dot axis equal to 0. Axis equal to 0 means what? It will be denoting the row. When axis equal to column, it will be columns. So we don't need axis equal to 1, which stands for column. Axis equal to 0 stands for the row. So this is there. SST final dot SST dot drop. This method, this space calling is not there. Final dot drop SST. Okay, here axis is not mentioned, but by default we know that it is deleting row wise. So, but the problem is that the column name is not given in the quotation mark. So answer 1 is the correct answer. Write the output of the given command. Import pandas as PNG. Marks are given, names are given, student series is created. Marks is the data index equal to name. Print student greater than 400, that is Boolean filtering dot sort underscore values. So which all are the values greater than 400, 401, 410, and 488? That should be sort underscore values, means it should be in the sorted order, that is ascending order. So first one is 401, that's the smallest one, greater than 400. After that it is 410. Then after that it is 488. So 401 is corresponding to RG, 410 is Rahul, and this is 488 is Pardev. What is Ardi, Rahul, Pardev? So option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 44. Nitika is working in an IT company. She is trying to store details of 5 employees in a data frame. She has collected data and store it in different lists, but it's facing to create a data frame. She has given the following command, but not getting the desired output. Help her. So this is the data, import pandas, so employee name, designation, salary. Data is equal to, this way we cannot call the dictionary record equal to pd dot data frame data. So how the data frame dictionary is called? Data is equal to curly braces. After that, the key, that should be, then the column, the value, isn't it? So key should be in the quotation marks and value should be from the list you have to get. So no need of quotation marks. So this will not come because of the bracket, and this also will not come. So among this, key should have the single quote or the double quote. So name, designation, and salary, and value should be like EMP name without quotation marks, desig, and salary. So option 3 is the correct answer. Here for the keys, the quotation mark is not given, so that is wrong. Question number 45. Which of the following statement is false regarding OSS, open source software? Source code is available here, editable. It can be distributed only 10 times. It comes free or nominal charge. It's asking for the false statement, so it can be distributed only 10 times. That is a false statement. It's limitless. 46. Which of the following data frame structures will be correct for the given output? Print days dot size. The output you want to get is 6. So here size means what? Number of rows into number of columns. So here 3 into 2, how much? 3 into 2 equal to 6, isn't it? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Here how much? 3 into 3. Here it is given 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. So that is wrong. So that's not there. Here it is like 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is how much? 2 into 3 is what? It's 6. Okay, you want to get the output as 6. So you are getting output 6 for 1 and 3. So both 1 and 3 are the answer to this question, because in your question it's only asked for the output 6. Consider the given get data frame record. Identify the output in the given command. Okay. Print log 2 is to 4. So 2 and 4 is considered and name column. Okay. 2 is to 4 from 2 is to 4. Okay, from here onwards, and the name column only you want to extract, isn't it? So 2, 3, 4, because 2 is to 4 means log function means both the extreme values are also included. So 2 and 4 also included. And from column you want to extract only name. So 2, 3, 4, Chedan, Shagun, Charu, option 2. Consider the following data frame rank. Okay, rank is the data frame. Here it is like rank dot marks greater than 80. Here Boolean filtering is not done. Here only checking for the condition whether the marks greater than 80. So student 1, that is true. Student 2, that is true. Student 4, student 3. Student 3 means what? Greater than 80. What it will do? It is false. None is greater than 80. That is false. So true, 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 false. It means true, true, and false, isn't it? So option 1 is the answer. Question number 49. Consider the two statements given below. The missing data in pandas is represented by nan, that is true. Nan is equivalent to 0, that is false. Nan is not equivalent to 0. So statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is false, that is the answer. Now moving on to section C, case study based question. In this 6 questions are there, you have to attempt any 5 questions. Miss Nandini is working in an school as an IT head. She has been assigned the task to analyze the performance of the students of class 10. She has written a snippet for making the student details using a data frame, hold the classes, but he is facing some problem, help her to rectify. Okay, so this is the data frame created. And this is the frame. She wants to add a new column total to calculate the total marks. How help her to choose the command. So she wants to add a new column. So these all are adding a column, but with this add function will not work. And with this sum also will not work. So among 1 and 4, which is the correct answer, record inside the square bracket total, that's the new column, or record dot total. Record dot total we cannot call before creating the column. After creating the column, only dot operator can be used for the display. So this is not correct. Okay, this is also wrong. So answer to the question is question number 1. Oh, sorry, option 1. She wants to reset the marks of Preeti to 0. Help her to select the right command. Okay, she wants to reset the marks of Preeti to 0. Okay, so what she has to do? Here, record.log. Log means what? That extreme value also consider 0 is to 0 means the starting onwards the 0th row. That is that last 0th row is considered. Here English from English marks to total, that is assigning to 0. Here when I am giving like record.log 0, this is the row, okay, but 2 is to 7. We don't have the column named 2 is to 7, so that is wrong. This is wrong. When we are using the ILOC, we are using the positional indexing. So this is okay, 2 is to 7 will work, that is assigned to 0. So both 1 and 3 are the answers. What will be the output of the following command? Record.index is admission number. we want to do like a iLOC 1:3. 1:3 means what? Student name. This is row, no? The row means which one are the 1:3? This is 0, 1. So 1, 0, 2. And iLOC means what? 0, 1, 2. So 3 will not be considered. So 1 and 2. And 1:7 means from here. So option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 53. What will be the size and shape of the data frame record? Size is equal to how much? Size will give the total number of items, that is multiplying the rows into column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 8, that is 40. So size is 40. So we are having two answers, 40. And shape will return in the form of row, comma, column, pair in the form of tuple. Row is 5 and column is 8. So 5, 8. So option 4 is the answer. Identify the command that will insert one more column class at the second place with the data as 12 in their data frame. So record, we were using the insert function. So insert function, that is record dot insert loc equal to 2, column equal to class, value also you have to specify. Here value is not given, so that's a mistake. Here record in the option 1, what is value is mentioned, but only one value is given. So the error will come because the type this is value does not match. We have to give exactly the value equivalent to the number of rows. So here option 3 is the correct answer. 55. She has more records in record 2 data frame and she want to add in already created data frame at the end in a sequence. Identify the appropriate command. Identify the appropriate command. So for that, is it append function, add, join, or insert? Add is for adding the two data frame values. That is not there. Join is also not there. Insert also to that particular location inserting. So append will append to the end. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the channel. Till then, happy learning. We will see with another sample paper soon.